Hello and welcome to Dishing Delights. My name is Jenica and today I'm going to share with you a little pantry tour. Let's get to it. So today I'm going to do things a little bit differently. I'm going to take you throughout my kitchen and my pantry, and I'm going to give you a little pantry update. In January I'm going to be doing a pantry challenge, and that challenge is just going to consist of me trying to stay out of the grocery store. Now I do have an Azure Standard haul that I'm supposed to pick up on the 10th. I may cancel that. I canceled it in December because I had to work that day, so I'm hoping that I'll be able to make this month work. But if not, then my plan is to stay completely out of the grocery store. I know that Sutton Stays and Three Rivers, I think, is having like a 2-month pantry challenge, but there's a lot of pantry challenges going around, and I really need to get my freezer under control. So that is my motivation for doing this in January, because my freezers are a disaster. So what we're gonna do is I'm going to pick you up, show you what's behind me, and then we're gonna head into the kitchen. Here is a look at my excess pantry. These are the 2 shelving units that I have. I can't back up far because there's a bed behind me. So what I have over here is, on top I have some beef and chicken ramen, and I also have some elbow noodles in those Mylar bags up there. Right here I have onions, and I also have onions in that box. I keep them in here so that they are out of any sunlight. I have 2 cans. I have 2 cases of green beans, 2 cases of mushrooms. I have my oils, my canned seafood. I have some canned salmon back here and some Spam. We have some smoked ham, small Spam packets, deviled ham. I also have these canned kipper snacks, a box of tomato paste, and then some extra mushrooms that I have right there. Over here I have some extra peanut butter. I also have some in my baking cabinet. I have some canned goods from my husband's stepmom, a random bay leaf. And then these are all my canned meats. We've been eating through quite a bit of these. And the Vienna sausages we use when my husband's like ice fishing or going fishing or whatever. He really likes these. We have lots of canned vegetables. Canned corn, canned potatoes, canned green beans, mixed vegetables. There's just a couple random cans in here. And then down here we have rolled oats, pinto beans, hard white wheat. I have a container of oats and rice out in the kitchen as well. Here's some extra ball boxes. These are my canned beans. I have some Great Northern beans and some kidney beans, I believe. I have what's left of my chicken broth. After I go through these, I'm going to can my own. I have some hot pepper jelly. In this container is excess baking supplies like chocolate chips, coconut, stuff like that. I have some canned pumpkin, some sweetened condensed milk. I'm running very low on evaporated milk. And there's one of my grain mills. Now these are our like ready to go meals. I have our ravioli, my cream of mushroom, celery, there's cream of chicken back there, and then some few random cans. I have tomato soup. I need to stock up on chicken noodle soup. And then we also have all of these chunky Campbell's. These are great grab and go meals when you don't want to cook. And then some more random vegetables. And these are the tomatoes that I canned. These are absolutely amazing. And then we have some more hard white wheat. We have some more white rice and more beans. So that is this part of the pantry tour. All right, over here we just have my random assortment of items that I just keep on hand. I have salt, pepper, sugar, brown sugar, oats, rice. Pretty much everything that I use I keep up here. This is our little hot sauce lane. And then up there I have some like chia seeds, flax seeds, coconut, some more. This is our homemade fish fry batter. This is some asparagus seeds that I harvested that I actually need to go through. So that is that little area. I know this might look crazy to a lot of people, but this makes so much sense for me. Over here, I just have all of my drinks, coffee, and then back here we just have an assortment of all of our seasoning packets, some protein, my coffee filters. And then down here I have some winter squash, some sweet potatoes, and then this is the box of flour that I'm trying to go through first. Alright, now for the cabinets. Alright, in here I just have a lot of my baking supplies. I have, oh, let me organize this. Alright, in here I have mostly baking supplies. I have some graham crackers up here. I have some crackers for our tuna. I have some extracts, jello, puddings, baking soda, you know, pretty much anything that I need to pull out quickly for baking. Some oatmeal. I have some Bisquick powder in a container. Some instant coffee and this thing of hash browns that I have opened up. Alright, door number 2. This is all my like carby sides. We have cornbread, mashed potatoes, scalloped potatoes, orzo pasta. These are mostly pasta that I have already opened up and then just shoved back in there and then pretended like it didn't exist. I have some tea. Now let's go to door number 3. Alright. Now this is mostly like oils and spices, bouillon powders, salt. That's some Himalayan sea salt there. Some more coconut. I have coconut everywhere for some reason. We have a few Knorr pasta sides and our masa. Some ghee. This is just like a random assortment of things. And that is door number 3. Now for the final, door number 4. Alright. Now this is more carby sides. Some more Knorr pasta sides, more potatoes au gratin, and then this is more pasta and more stovetop. Now I use this a lot in like meatloafs and breading for like pork chops and stuff like that. So I really need to focus on going through these very soon. Now for freezer number 1. This actually isn't that bad. These are a lot of leftovers. Right over here I have some tilapia in the back. And then back here I have brats, pork chops, a couple things of chorizo. This is all vegetables. And this is where I keep my veggie scraps, so when I make broth I have it. Ginger, sun-dried tomatoes, have some pie crust up here, some bread to make croutons with, yeast, and then the bread, and then the butter that I have open right now. And then my fridge, typical fridge. And then in here we have some more condiments. We have some leftover brownies. These are like our peppers. That's some enchilada sauce, maple syrup. This is kind of just like a catch-all, you know. my eggs that are not in the right place. Behind my milk, I have some more leftovers, lemon juice, whipping cream, hot sauce, and then some more leftovers that need to be gone through. We have a few carrots in here, but I'm gonna probably throw these into that scrap baggie because they're a little bit soft. So that is that, not too much. Let's look in our cheese drawer. Kind of running low on cheese and all that, but we'll get through it. Now here's a checklist of stuff that I have in this freezer. I made this 6 months ago. I checked off one thing, so this is a liar. Now, this is why I need to do this challenge, because like this is organized for me, but this is an absolute disaster. There's a lot of leftovers. We have lots of like butter and small bags of pizza rolls. We have a lot of venison. This is mostly venison and pork. Chicken, that's chicken sausage. Some like easy grab and go meals, and then up here is just a random assortment of leftovers, I believe. So this is an example of what not to do, and we're gonna go through all of this so I can thaw out my freezer, because this is ridiculous. All right, let's close this and act like I never showed you. Now right here, I kind of wrote a list of some dinner ideas with things that we have on hand, also some breakfast ideas and some lunch ideas, but usually for lunch I just have leftovers. So that's kind of a simple way to plan out dinners. We'll just refer to this, and if not, we'll get creative in the kitchen and I'll take you guys along. Also, I want to show you that I am like fully loaded on spices. This is just like my regular spice drawer, so we can definitely get creative with that. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that this inspired you a little bit to go into the back of your cabinet and find some things that need to be used up. I know that my pantry is a little bit extreme for 2 people, but I've actually been going through quite a bit of this. So I kind of wanted to do a little pantry challenge so I could get a little bit more organized, and I wanted to take you guys along with me. I'm not having any hard rules. I know myself and I cannot do that. And I'm trying to be very easygoing with my meal plans, with this channel, because things change so rapidly, and I've noticed when I give myself a lot of rules, everything just kind of blows up. So January's goal is just to cook from home, to use up a lot of ingredients in my pantry, and to take you guys along for the ride. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like and subscribe, and if you would like to be notified the next time I upload a video, hit that notification bell down below. Happy New Year, and thanks for watching.